Today we're gonna cook prawn curry. We will need prawns, lemon, tomato, chili, curry, white wine, coconut milk, stock and olive oil. The first thing we have to do is to cut the garlic, small pieces. Now we add a little bit of olive oil into a pan and then we put the garlic. We wait 2 minutes. Now we add some wine, something like this, and we wait 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, the wine should have lost the alcohol smell. Now we add the tomato. We mix everything. Now it's time to add a big spoon of curry, like this. And if you want a spicy flavor, you can add also a little bit of chili. And keep moving and mixing everything. After 5 minutes of mixing everything, the sauce has to be orange. So now we add a little bit of coconut milk and also a little bit of stock. And we mix everything and we wait 5 minutes. The final step is to add the prawns into the sauce and wait 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, it's ready to eat. Before eating, you can add a bit of lemon juice and also a bit of black pepper. And let's mix and let's try.